Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section and then go to the reset options and select an option reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap reset settings, and then once again, and after that all of the network settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.